The gangsters aimed their machine guns at the police.
The businessman aimed his bow and arrow at the target. His aim was not very good.
The sniper aimed his rifle at the enemy. The hunter aimed his shotgun at the animal. The young woman aimed her bow and arrow at someone. The hunter aimed his rifle at something. The young woman aimed her bow and arrow at the target. The hunter aimed his rifle up into the air. The cyborg aimed his weapon at the enemy. The archer aimed his bow and arrow at the target. The snooker player aimed the white ball at the black ball. The policeman aimed his gun when he stormed the warehouse. The boy aimed his bow and arrow at the target. The pool player aimed the white ball at one of the other balls. The policeman aimed his handgun at the criminal. The men aimed their rifle at the targets on the firing range. The policeman aimed his gun at the thief. The golfer aimed at the hole. The businessman aimed the rocket launcher at the target. The boy aimed his water pistol at his friend. Cupid aimed his bow and arrow at the heart.